Hey YouTube, I bought something new for the prize box. How about a Zippo? Oh yeah. This is street chrome finish with Zippo. It is stamped from the inside. Alright, so these letters are raised. I love the street chrome finish. Just looks cool. And if you scratch it, you probably won't even be able to tell. These retail for $19.99, brand new. You can get them on eBay for 13, 14 bucks. This is brand new. Still has the orange sticker. I really like this one, but I have enough Zippos, so this one is for you. I'm thinking we're going to have the drawing on June 1st. Alright, so it gives me another week to add prizes to the prize box. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace.